the bushes and forests, running down in the moonlight like you, being faster than sound in the shadow, living this pursuit, hiding because of misunderstanding, hiding because you've seen them through, screaming at loud the point of your misery, what every woman should. I've heard a wolf tonight, but I've heard a wolf tonight. I've heard a wolf tonight. I've heard a wolf tonight. Being chased for much too long, being chased made us angry too. We remember that you couldn't count a very big pack of wolves. We're ready to show you the meaning, Mother Nature who really exists. You see it is not a conjecture, she is a